my name's Myles. I'm the head trainer at Mixology Group. I've been perfecting my skills for the last 20 years. Today I'm going to show you how to make a daiquiri. For this we're going to need a lime, some sugar syrup and of course some rum. Whatever rum you want to use is completely up to you. The best advice I think is to try and match the type of sugar to the type of rum. So a dark sugar will go with a dark rum, or in this case a white sugar with a white rum. So first things first, we're going to need to get our glass ready. So here I've got a beautiful cocktail glass and I'm just going to fill it up with some ice and place it to one side. Next up is our fresh lime, and we're going to get our lime and we're going to cut the lime through the equator, giving us 2 equal halves. Now in the bar world we tend to use something called a citrus press, but for you guys at home there's absolutely no need. All we're going to do is grab a fork, grab something to pour the lime juice into, and we're going to pop the fork into the lime and then squeeze it into our vessel. Place that in the bin or your compost bin, and again the second half, just trying to get as much of the juice as you can. Now that's done, we can crack on with making the drink. Here are my measures. I've got a single measure on one side and I've got a double measure on the other side. This particular drink heralds from Cuba. Legend has it was invented by a man called Jennings Cox. So all we're going to do now, very simply, is grab our lime juice, pour a single measure and just place that into your cocktail tin. Next I'm going to get some sugar syrup. Now you guys can make this really easily at home. All you need is a cup of sugar and a cup of hot water. I'm going to grab 1 measure of sugar syrup and pour that into the tin. And now we reach for the important thing. Let's grab some rum. So of course, like I said earlier, whatever rum you choose to use is completely up to you. You can have a spice rum, a dark rum, or in this case a lovely white rum. But we are going to add a double measure. All we need to do now is shake over ice and we have our drink. Food pairings wise, I think this goes beautifully with the classic wonderful dish called a ceviche. Now we need to strain this drink out. So I've got one of these, which is a Hawthorne strainer. Now I'm going to use a second strainer for this particular drink, which is my fine strainer, but alternatively of course you could just use a fork or any form of strainer you have at home. And here we have our classic daiquiri. Enjoy guys.